Hello Bladers. Like all things, cars need proper care too. Though it might be a hassle, taking care of your car can give you a long cost per use. After all, it's something that you use on a daily. Not sure which parts you need regular checkups on? Well, here's a tips you can check every now and then. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Why do you need to have your car maintained? Number 1. Fluid checks. If your oil, transmission fluid, or engine coolant is running low, add the necessary fluid stat. Like people, your cars also need the right amount of fluids to avoid overheating. Number 2. Oil change. Oils can make or break your car. So, changing them every 3,000 miles is best to ensure your engine's smooth performance. Number 3. Tire pressures. Make sure that your cars have the required air pressure. Don't put too much and don't put too little, since wrong pressures can lead to excess tire wear. Number 4. Engine air filter. People don't understand how important air filters are, since they usually cost very little. To give you an idea, if your air filters are always dirty, it can shorten your car's lifespan. So, better check them regularly to protect your car's engine. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.